open this new pack of Shopkins. So let's get started. So we're going to start with this side. Just squeeze it, but it wouldn't come out. Then do this, and it will come out. Just put the tape. And I will need scissors, just so wait a second. Dun, 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 dun. Yes. Dun, 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 dun. Baby lips. Okay, so we're gonna cut it apart. These are sharp scissors. They could make you bleed. This is not opening still. I'm trying hard. Maybe I'm not cutting it good. And it's still not opening. Let's try like that. Let's try from here.
Yes, Michael. Yes, Mom. I'm eating my food. What do you want? Oh, that's the cookies I bought for you and Victoria. They're blueberry cookies. And you know what else?
Okay.
I got some donuts.
So let's get started. So we have, this is the 12 pack. So we have one blind bag sketch. We have 10 Shopkins in here. So we just need 2 more from the blind bag. Show them my shirt. Then this is my shirt. And I am 6. And I'll put my duplicates right here. And I don't do giveaways. My mom is going to put some on Facebook. So we have 1. So this is the first one. And it's candy apple. And this is another. It's, I don't think I know, but I'm going to look on the map. Because this is my first one. So it's shady. And this is a duplicate. So this is, candy apple is a duplicate. Toasty bread is duplicate. So I'm going to put these close to you so you can see. We're going to put them in here. So, I don't know this one's name, so I'm checking on the list again. I just don't know what the names are. So it is Taylor Rain. Dun, dun, dun.
Let's keep it here until you eat your
Taylor Rain. We have Noni notebook.
Okay, you want to bite?
We have this is Blow Annie right here. She's coming.
Okay, I'm gonna make you chicken.
Scrawny.
Okay? And apples. You don't want the fruit cup?
I think this is it. Cherry tomato. I thought it was just a tomato. But cherry tomato. And this is. This name is kind of confusing because there's too many in season 2. So it is Sneaky Sally. And we have gingerbread as a duplicate. So I'll try them. So all these are common. I'll have to check on these. Rare, I think ultra rare. Rare. Common.
Can you get out, please? I'm making you food.
Common.
No, never touch that. I will get upset.
Common. Rare. And this one is special. special edition. So we will open the blind basket now. It's gonna be fun.
Nobody's tickling you.
I think I'm getting my duplicate.
Michael, stand up.
Oh, I'm
I need
gonna
to look at your
get
hands. Stand up.
retro roller. But this
Michael.
needs to be my
Okay,
duplicates.
stand here.
I'm hoping I get the blue color. And I got a different one. I didn't get retro roller.
Don't
I
get
got
used to
this
that.
phone. And I don't even know who this is. Let me check. But I know she's ultra rare. Let me check.
You're like, what?
Let me see. Moby Mary. So Moby's Mary.
Okay.
And last one. I think I know what it is. What do you guys think it is? And this is one of my new one. It's a stationery. It's a pencil. It's
I'm sorry. Michael, I have even oranges here.
it's penny pencil and pink. I can feel it. You can see it too. See the sharp end right here. It's penny pencil and pink. I'll see. I'll watch you.
Michael, come
Penny
here.
pencil. Shh. I don't want them to hear. Penny pencil. So this is it. So these are the Shopkins that I have.
What?
Okay, bye. This is the end of the video. Just wait for a few minutes. Let me get these started.
You want apples instead of this?
Ta-da.
Yes?
This is ultra rare.
Michael.
And this is special edition,
Then
special
you're not
edition.
gonna eat chickens. No, Michael.
And I love these Shopkins
Right now.
And we're having no giveaway. Also, would here, I'll tell you. Cookies or